Liquid Web Website Hosting Review Usage Experience. Links to Liquid Web are in the description below. Liquid Web is a premium managed hosting provider tailored to businesses, developers, and high-traffic websites. Known for its exceptional performance and outstanding customer support, Liquid Web specializes in managed WordPress, VPS, and dedicated server hosting. It's designed for users who demand speed, security, and reliability for their websites or applications. One of the standout features of Liquid Web is its fully managed hosting, which means they handle everything from server management to security updates, backups, and optimizations. This makes it perfect for users who don't want to deal with the technical aspects of hosting and prefer to focus on growing their business. You get access to high-performance servers, 24/7 customer support, and server-level security, ensuring that your site is always up and running smoothly. Liquid Web offers a variety of hosting plans, including Cloud VPS hosting, which gives you the flexibility to scale resources up or down as needed. Their managed WordPress hosting is particularly impressive, featuring auto-scaling, free CDN, site staging, and automated backups to ensure your WordPress website performs at its best. For e-commerce sites or businesses with higher demands, Liquid Web's dedicated servers provide top-tier performance and security, making them an ideal choice for mission-critical applications. Their customer support is a major strength, with 24/7 access to experts who provide quick, knowledgeable responses. Unlike many competitors, Liquid Web guarantees fast response times, which can be critical in solving issues before they affect your site's uptime. In conclusion, Liquid Web is ideal for businesses and high-traffic websites that need reliable, high-performance hosting with excellent customer support. With its robust features, scalability, and excellent reputation for security and uptime, Liquid Web delivers a premium hosting experience. If you're looking for top-tier managed hosting, Liquid Web is definitely worth considering.